In the summer of 2011, the United States faced a historic standoff over its borrowing limit. Here is how it happened and why it mattered. The debt ceiling is a legislative limit on the total amount of debt the federal government is authorized to borrow. By May 2011, the government reached its statutory limit of $14.3 trillion, sparking intense political negotiations in Washington. The standoff lasted for months, creating significant market anxiety as investors worried the U.S. might fail to pay its obligations for the first time. It is important to distinguish this from a government shutdown. A debt crisis threatens the government's ability to pay interest on existing debt. The uncertainty caused significant volatility in global stock markets, leading to the first-ever downgrade of the U.S. credit rating by Standard & Poor's. Ultimately, the event served as a major lesson on how political decisions can directly influence investor confidence and the cost of government borrowing. Thanks for watching. Understanding these historical events helps us grasp how government policy impacts our broader economy. See you next time.